So next thing that we need to discuss is Ask CLI. So open Google and search for Ask CLI. The very first link that you get, click on it. So this link talks about Ask CLI. So in the step number 1, it says sign up for the Amazon developer account. So we have already done this. In fact, we have already created one test Alexa skill here. So next it says to install the Node.js. So on my machine, Node.js is already installed. If you need to install it, just search for install Node.js and you will get this link, nodejs.org. Just click on it and download the LTS version, which is the long-term support, and this one is showing as of now 12.16. so minimum we need to have 8.3. So this one is 12.16, so we are good to go with this one. So I'm just going to open the command prompt and I'm going to show you the version of my Node.js. So you need to type node space -v. So in my case, the version is 12.12.0. So leave the third point. You don't need to go for the Git. So under the step 2, it's talking about setting up the IAM user on the AWS cloud. So it's actually talking about this particular link. So open up this link. So in my case, I'm already registered and my credit card is already attached. So in your case, you need to register on the AWS cloud, and as I mentioned, you will be charged only and only for the services which are paid, and most of the services are free for 1 year if you are registering for the first time on the AWS cloud. And in our case, we are just going to use the Lambda functions. So we will talk about setting up the IAM user later. So all you need to make sure at this time is you should be able to log in onto the AWS Cloud Console. And in the step number 3, we need to install Ask CLI. If you are on Windows like me, then you need to run this particular command. So I'm going to copy this command, open up the command prompt, and run this particular command. Now again, to make sure that you understand the process well, to run this command, you need to have Node.js installed. Okay, so seems like there is an error. Just gonna exit and open the command prompt as admin. So right click and open as administrator. Run the command again. Okay, so tools are installed, and then we need to run this particular command to install the Ask CLI. So Ask CLI is installed. Next step that we need to do is we need to configure the Ask CLI, and for that we need to run the ask configure command. So copy this and run the command here. So at this point in time, I'm assuming that you are able to log in into the AWS cloud and you have not done anything which is defined in the step number 2 in terms of creating the IAM user. So we have not done anything like that. So let's jump on to run the command ask configure. And after some time, it will open up your browser and it will ask you to log in. So remember, now this one is getting logged into your AWS cloud, which is this one. So I'm just going to put my password. Okay, after you put the password, it asks you for certain permissions. You need to click on allow. So it says sign in was successful, close the browser. So I'm just going to close this particular browser and I'm going to return to my command prompt. So the first question it asks, do you want to link your AWS account in order to host your Alexa skills? So yes. So it automatically opens up this window in the browser. This is nothing but the AWS console, which we have already opened up here. So by default, it provides a username, and if you see in my case, the next button is disabled. The reason being, this particular user, it is already created in my case because I was working on this a few days back and I created the user with the same name. So if I go to my cloud and if I go to services and look for IAM, under the users, you will get the same name. So in my case, this is already created, but if you are going to use it for the first time, it might not be created for you. So if this button is disabled for you, you need to understand that this username is already created. So I'm just going to rename it in my case. So let's call it Ask CLI Tutorial User and click on Next, 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 and then Create User. Now, very important thing, do not click on the close button because this is the only time you are going to see the secret access key. So if you click on show, you will be able to see the secret access key. So what you need to do is you need to store your access key ID and secret access key somewhere because you are not going to see it again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to store my key ID as well as the secret access key. So after you are sure that you stored your access key ID as well as the secret access key, close it. Now let's go back to the command prompt. Now here you need to put the access key ID and the secret access key. Next, it will ask you to put secret access key. So secret access key is hidden, input is hidden, you will not be able to see anything. Just press enter and your profile is created. So also if you see under the users, there is a new user which is Ask CLI Tutorial User, which I just created. So now let's go back to our steps. So we have configured Ask Configure, and with this we have completed the step number 2 as well. Now let's jump onto the step number 4. And run the command ask new. So I'm just going to change my folder location. And now let's run the command ask new. So we are going to choose Node.js. And here we need to choose AWS Lambda. Just press the down arrow button and you will be able to move to AWS Lambda. Press enter. Let it be hello world. And now we need to give the skill name. So let's call it Smart Light. Or let's call it Smart Light Tutorial. Let's again call it Smart Light Tutorial. And if you see, this one is created. So we need to go into the folder Smart Light Tutorial. So just say cd Smart Light Tutorial. So this has actually created a folder with the name Smart Light Tutorial. So from here I will say code space dot. So at the moment I'm assuming that VS Code editor is already installed on your laptop. If not, I would request you to please install it. So it has opened VS Code editor, and the project that we have just created with the name Smart Light Tutorial, you can see it in the VS Code on the left hand side. So the command other than ask new is ask deploy, and then we need to test our skill. So before running the ask deploy, we need to work on the VS Code editor. So let's work there. Request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.